Well, hello, you trader nerds. How y'all doing on a terrific Tuesday? Market's doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Up 5.5%. It is, look at this, plus 10%. Now listen to old Daddy Bobby. Daddy's going to tell you something. You see the AD is negative 24. You see the market's up. Expect a sell-off in the last 30 minutes of this day. Now, I didn't say it's a big sell-off, but I said expect a sell-off at the bottom of the day. You can sell calls right here if you'd like to, 0 DTE, you'll be just fine. I'm just telling you. Old Daddy Bobby. So anyway, VIX is in the 12 handle, AD negative 28. Let's look at the big green monster. And here's why you can further expect a sell-off. Why? Because we have a resistance. A resistance from the Fibonacci retracements. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that the big green monster is the big green monster. And yeah, it can go above it. Yeah, it can go above it, but expect that it wants to go back down into here. A sell-off is imminent. I have spoken. Let's go to our little mega account today, see how we're doing. We are on the year of our Lord 521. Shut up, dogs, for the love of the Lord. Will you shut up? Somebody get them dogs. Let's see how our account's doing. That darn dog, it barks all the time. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Trying to figure out how much money we got in the account. Come on now. We got 300. Oh my gosh. Did somebody put money in this account? Look at this, y'all. We got 347,175.90. Rico! Hey, Rico, fire up the band, Jack.
Well, we're moving on now. Moving on up to the side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Y'all, you got all these 0 DTE traders out there trading all this stuff, but yet we trading stuff that is 120 days out have made $27,477.52. So Mrs. Biggins, how about that? Huh? It says we're up 6%, but we know we're up more than that because we've had additions and subtractions. So we're doing much better than that. That 5.98% is on $459,000. It hadn't taken into account the debits and the credits. So we are printing cash, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go see what our Greeks and ratios are today. God, feels good. Look at this, y'all. We've only made $67,230.94 this year. That's pretty good money. So let's see. Some people don't make $67,000 a year. Isn't that amazing? And here we are making this trading. We are the stuff. All right. So on our 72 account here, we're at 330, 241. Let's do the 330, 241. Yes. 330, 241. Oh no. What happened to our lovely theta? It went from 328 to 241. You know why? We had a GTC order fill. Yes, we did. Let's see. So our buying pair is, we only want to include the ES buying power. So we are at 123, 188. We don't count our bills there. We are 123.2. Let's say 123.2. Now remember, we can use up to 50% of our buying power. We are at a cool, calm, and collected 35% buying power. Now, first of all, let's go put our GTC in that happened. How do I know what GTC happened? Because I looked a while ago. Look at this. Look at this. We had a GTC fill yesterday at 4:47 a.m. while yours truly was slobbering in his CPAP mask with slobber all over the place and having a good old time. So isn't that great? So we filled and closed. We closed 12 of our 31-day 3100s for 20 cents. That is what we call a harvest. So 3100s at 20 cents. Let's go put that in. 3100s at 20 cents. Let's see if we got any closed signals. Oh, we got some closed signals here. So this closed, let's see, for 0. This closed for 0. And this closed 4 days ago, which would be, what's the date? 5/17/24. 5/17/24. Get those out of the way. And so we said that our 3,100s, 12 of them, here they are with 31 days to go, closed yesterday at 20 cents, 0.20. So let's see, we closed them yesterday, 5, 20, 24. Did we make some Applebee's money? We made $1,756.32. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. So if I close 12, surely I could go out and sell another 12, couldn't I? Couldn't I do that? And start us another hedge up? Let's see how many hedges we got going on here, first of all. Let's see, we got here, realized premium. We got 129 short hedges, plus we got 195 long hedges. Woo! I mean, that is strong, y'all. Look at us. We got 129 shorts. We got 195 longs. Why don't we go out and sell some stuff? So why don't we go and let's do trade ES. We want to go over 60 days, right? So let's see what we got here. Over 60 days, we got a 59, we got a 60, we got a 71. Let's go to these 66 days. And let's see what we can sell for $3 down here. $3. Here we go, 320, 41.50s. Let's sell 12 of them. Why 12? Because we just got rid of 12. 10, 11, 12. So we're going to try to get them for 325. Let's see if I can do that. 12, yeah. $29,000 of buying power. Woo! Look at that. 41.50s, 66 days. 41.50, 66 days. 41.50, 66 days. And what we say, 325? 325. Okay, so that was ES. And we're going to call this ES. We're going to pay 12 of them. And we're going to call this BSH23. BSH23. Put. And this is a short hedge. And control your colon, people. Yeah. So, why ain't that filled in? Oh, I put it in the wrong thing. 325. Then we got to go Control C, Control V. There we go. So we brought in $1,928 right there. So it's really, really good. So why don't we now go and put in our little GTC orders. So we want to close these when they get to 20. Close the full thing when they get to 20 cent. 20 cent. I said 20 cent. Nabbit. There it is, 20 cents. And make it a GTC order. What's wrong with my equipment? My equipment ain't working. Here we go. GTC. And review and send. And then we got to buy some stuff before. So we want to buy these back at $1.55. So 12 is 4 tranches. So we want to buy 20 of those. I like hitting the button. Button. It's 8, 19, 20. And we want to do them when we can do them for $1.55. And make it a GTC. A GTC before. Da-da! I work hard for my money. And we ain't even got into our 111 today, y'all. Let's do one of them too. You want to? So let's go. And we're going to go 120 days. So we got 122 days here. See if we can find something we can sell. So we want to sell a 10 Delta. There we go. We got a 4,900. 4,900. Let's try to get, we won't get 3,150, will we? I don't know. I believe the children is our future. Treat them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the glory they. Place that order at 31 and a quarter. 31 and a quarter. We're doing the 4,900s. 4,900s. Let's see. So we did the 4,900 at 31.25 at 122 days. 4,900. 4,900. 31.25. And we said it's 122 days, I think. So we'll go ES. Put him in his little group. ES is NP 32. That's a naked. Control V. Got some Palantir working on the side. All right, let's see. Puts. Control. Oh. There we go. So now we got to put in a put debit spread. Y'all know the rules. Y'all know how this works. Everybody, not SPX. We're going to get to SPX one day. We're going to get a size and we're going to say, we're going to SPX it. All right, so we're going to do PDS 32. And let's go switch this in. Now remember, I don't like doing the stripes, over the stripes. So we'll go 122 day. Did I do 122? Yeah. 120. So let's do, we did the 4,900s. Let's don't overlap stripes. Let's do this 27 going to be more than I normally pay for them. Let's see, buy it for 12. Let's try it. 5,300. Oh, come on. You won't buy that for 12? Jeez Louise. There we go, 12. So we did the 5,300s for $12. 5,300s. 5,300. 5,250. $12. So we spent $603, but we brought in $1,560. All right. So let's make that BSH 23 and 32. Let's do that. Group our positions, and ESZ4. So we got, geez Louise. This is PDS. What do we say? 32. PDS 32. Group positions. PDS 32. Got some Amazon feeling. PDS 32. And then we got, was that PDS 4,900 NP 32. 4,900 NP 32. So this must be NP 31. PDS 31. Group positions. PDS 31. And then NP 31. NP 31. All right, so we got to find our these right here are our group positions. BDS, BSH. Last one hedge 23. Oh, I got some stuff I hadn't got in here. Right. We gotta fix those up. But now let's look at our Greeks and ratios. 452, 366. Let's see what that looks like. 452, 366. 452, 366. And you don't have to always go back and do this. 450, look at this, y'all. 452, 366. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jeez, does that look good? But in fact, it looks so good that I'm almost like, let's see what our buying power went up to. Buying power positions is, oh crap, we got to go to that thing where we go here and we got to do that. Let's see. Market data refresh 231. Let's see. So it's 164, 199. 164, 999. Woo!
Hey, Bobby, I got a question on your
Yeah, Tyler.
BSH. I had an order fill as well. The new is for 12, the harvest 12 puts. And so I went to enter in a basically what you just did, but I checked the risk graph and did the analysis on it. And it with the purchase of those 12 or selling those 12 puts, it took basically all my protection away. So I didn't know if that's something you consider when you put that
Yeah,
on to.
really, Tyler, you don't have to put the 12. Like after you do the 12, maybe you only needed to sell 3 or 6. Here's what I'm going by. I'm going more or less by my metrics, 3 metrics.
Okay.
I'm like, I can do the risk because my theta needs to be 0.10. I'm at 0.11. My buying power is fine. I'm running by this. So that's,
Okay.
but yeah, you can look at it at a granular level like you did and go, oh, I don't need that many, but I'm just running the portfolio from this level.
Okay. Yeah. So I ended up selling 6 just because just so I had some type of protection.
I
But
think you're wise to do that. And I
okay.
think what I'm going to do today, y'all, is because now I've pushing my theta a little much, and I'm at 47%. I think I'm going to take off a naked put. So naked put 15 is here. Let's see how much I've got for him. He's got, let's see, naked put 15. Days left in the trade is 30. So I thought that would give me a closing date signal at 30. But I'm gonna close him. It's the time to close him. Let's look at him. Naked put 15. Let's see if we can find him. Naked put 15. If y'all see him, here he is. So we got 4 of those there. Yeah, look, they're at 95%. Take them off. Let's take some risk off. Close position. Now, some of y'all, Murray Lindout, he takes his all the way to expiration. That's fine too. Let's see if we can get rid of those at 85 cents. No, no takers. All right, let's see. We'll go to 90. What's that dog shut up? Y'all hear him? There we go. So let's take him off at 90 cents. Nikki puts 15 at 90 cents. And this is how y'all just kind of just work this thing, y'all. Oh, it's so good. Oh, our plan is so good. Let's see, control colon. So we made $3,105.44. I feel like I'm so greedy. Look at us up 27,477. Shh. Y'all don't tell nobody. I love y'all to pieces. Thank you for being with us today. And I look forward to seeing y'all tomorrow. Bye, y'all.